Hi guys, Ceddy here and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's tech unboxing time, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start it. So I have with me right now the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earbuds. This is the level entry of Xiaomi for their earbuds in the market, and it shows basic. So when you say basic, don't expect more features like you can download some app on it just to tweak it. It's nothing like that, just basic. So the feature of this Mi True Wireless Earbuds comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, so it comes with a range of 10 meters distance because you have that Bluetooth 5.0 version, and also it comes with a charging case as well, as what you can see on the picture on the packaging. And let me just read on the back of the box. So it comes with a wireless range of 10 meters in an obstacle-free environment, battery capacity of 43 milliamp. Charging time is approximately 1.5 hours, and talk time approximately 4 hours. So if you are not using these earbuds, the standby time is approximately 150 hours. So it comes with a charging case also of 5 volts, 500 milliamp, and the charging time is approximately 2 hours. So the battery capacity of the charging case is 300 milliamp, and of course it's the same lithium polymer. So the package contents of this earbuds by Xiaomi is, of course, the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic. The charging case, user manual, and a warranty notice. So it comes with a 6-month warranty, and it comes also with an ear tips, 3 pairs, small, medium, and large. So medium is already installed. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Actually, it's easy to peel. You just need to, if you have some a little bit longer nails, you can just slice it off and you can open it. That was easy. That was easy. Okay, so let's open what's inside the packaging. It's very light. Okay, so what's inside? And oh wow, remove the protective film from the earbuds before use. Oh, okay, it shows this one, the protective film. I think that's the dock port in order for you to charge the earbuds. Okay. What's inside? Documentation, of course, as always. And I found, earbuds. So if medium is not the right size earbud tip for you, then you have the option to choose from, let me just open this, from the large and the small. Okay, very simple, straightforward packaging inside as well. So here it goes. Let me just look at it off. That's it. It's very light. I mean, you know, my AirPods Pro is quite heavier. The same with my AirPods first generation, as you can see. This is my AirPods Pro, and see the difference. The AirPods Pro is quite bigger than the Mi Wireless earbuds, and if you compare it to the first generation, it's the same. It's the first generation of AirPods is quite bigger. So for the win when it comes to portability and the lightness of these earbuds, yeah, I think I like it. Now let's open. Okay. There you go. Bam, there's the earbuds. Okay, let's open. I think it's still not working because, yeah, I told you there's the seal. So in order for them to charge or these earbuds will charge to the dock, you have to remove this seal. So we have to remove it. Okay. And also, oh, I saw a light, I saw a light, a red. I think it's just a common sense. If it's red, meaning it's being charged or it's currently on charge, and I think maybe on green, then meaning it's full charge. So I will just leave it aside for time being, because maybe this one doesn't have any pre-charge on it. So we'll just wait for a couple of minutes. Alright, so finally, the earbuds. I think this is enough to connect to the phone. So I have a Vivo here. It's an Android phone. So let me just go ahead and remove my AirPods Pro, and let's try to connect it to another device. I can see some lights on it. It's blinking. Make sure that your device can, or your phone can search for available devices. So I assume that the earbuds is already on, because when I removed it, it's already on. So I'm going to search. So the name is Mi True Wireless EBS Basic R, which is connected. Okay, so upon connecting, you can hear a little bit of chime. So it shows connected. Mi True Wireless EBS Basic R is connected. So upon connecting, there's a successful chime tone that it's already connected. Okay, let me just go ahead and play some of the songs. What do you think? Okay. Can you hear that? Okay. The bass is quite good. It's the same as sound from my AirPods first generation with the super triple four cut of the price of the AirPods first generation. When it comes to sound quality, I think they're the same. But the only thing that I just really don't like it is the pairing up. It took me time to pair it, but maybe it's for the first time. I think the Android already remembered the device, so I guess if you're going to open it on the next time you use it, so maybe it's just automatically connected, but it's just my opinion. And if your Google Play Music can support some deep space sound effects, just like with the Vivo, you have the option to change the equalizer, just like this, like panoramic sound, mega bass, clear voice, gym, library, concert hall, which is quite good. But if you don't want to use the deep space sound effects, just put it on default off. I can feel a little bit, the feeling that the earbuds was stuck inside your ear, and the transparency mode is off on the AirPods Pro, because I think it was isolated inside your ear and there is no way out for you to hear more outside your surroundings. So you can hear actually, but it's just a little. And if you are going to check on your phone, there's an indicator that your earbuds is almost half empty, or it's low bat, or it's need to be charged. There's an indicator also from the top corner, as you can see. So yeah, verdict. Do I have to suggest you guys to buy these earbuds? Mi True Wireless Earbuds by Xiaomi. If you want a light and portable earbuds, yes. If you want an affordable yet straightforward earbuds, you can go and choose this. If you're planning to buy a well-deserved wireless earbuds at an affordable price, I highly recommend these Xiaomi wireless true earbuds, the basic. It's very light, it's very small, it's just like an inch of your thumb. Yeah, the bass on these earbuds is quite good as it sounds. So that is my quick unboxing review of the, once again, Mi True Wireless Earbuds by Xiaomi. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or like or share this video if you love to. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe everyone. See you again. Bye-bye.